Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to invite team members in Figma step by step. Inviting team members allows you to collaborate on designs, share projects, and work together in real time. If you're a beginner, don't worry. I'll show you the easiest way to do it. So let's get started. First, I'll open Figma and go to my team or project. Now I'll click the share button in the top right corner of the screen. As you can see, the sharing window is now open. At the top, there's an email field. Here, I'll enter the email address of the team member I want to invite. Next, I'll choose the appropriate permission, such as can view, can comment, or can edit, depending on the level of access I want to give. After selecting the permission, I'll click the invite button. Once the invitation is sent, the team member will receive an email with a link to join the project and start collaborating. That's it. We've successfully invited a team member to our Figma project. As you can see, it's a quick and simple process that makes collaboration much easier. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Figma tutorials and design tips. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.